On iPhone and iPad, the Apple ID is a crucial authentication tool that directly affects the use of functions like app downloads, iCloud, Apple Music, FaceTime, and iMessage. However, the Apple ID may occasionally appear grayed out and unclickable, preventing users from using these services. This video provides various effective solutions to fix Apple ID grayed out. Before addressing the issue of an unclickable Apple ID, it's necessary to analyze the potential causes. Reasons for Apple ID appearing grayed out. Apple ID server issues. Server outages may cause account verification failures. Unstable network connection. Connection issues can disrupt the Apple ID verification process. Content and privacy restrictions. Enabled restrictions may prevent account changes. Device managed by another computer. Management by another device can limit Apple ID settings. iCloud restoring apps. During iCloud restoration, the Apple ID may temporarily appear grayed out. Account security protection. Multiple incorrect password attempts may lead Apple to disable the Apple ID to protect data. FaceTime and iMessage issues. Problems with these services may cause the Apple ID to temporarily gray out, usually resolving after service restoration. How to fix the Apple ID grayed out issue. Check Apple System Status. Visit the Apple System Status page to check if the Apple ID service is running normally. A green indicator next to Apple ID shows that the service is operational. If not, the server may be temporarily unavailable, and it's advised to wait for Apple to resolve it. Check network connection. An unstable connection affects Apple ID usage. Try the following steps to restore connectivity. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Switch to a stronger Wi-Fi or restart the router. Reconnect to Wi-Fi, or forget and rejoin the network. Disable VPN if in use. After trying these methods, check if the Apple ID returns to normal. Remove Apple ID, for those needing a complete solution. In certain cases, removing and resetting the Apple ID can resolve the issue. For complex procedures, users can use professional iOS unlocking tools like Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker, which supports various iOS device models and versions. The steps to unlock your Apple ID are different depending on whether Find My is enabled. If Find My is disabled, connect your Apple device to the computer. Click Unlock Apple ID. Click Start. Check the information and click Download. The firmware package download will take some time, please be patient. Click Unlock. The Apple ID on the device will be removed. If Find My is enabled and your iOS version is later than 11.4. Click Unlock Apple ID. Click Start. Please make sure your two-factor authentication is enabled. And the device has set up screen lock. Click Confirm to proceed to the next step. Check the device information. Click Download to start downloading and verifying the firmware package. Click Unlock to start removing the Apple ID. After successful removal, follow the instructions to enter the device screen passcode to activate the iPhone. Disable iOS restrictions. Content and privacy restrictions may cause the Apple ID to appear grayed out. Follow these steps to disable them. Open Settings, go to Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, find Account Changes and set it to Allow. Turn off screen time. If disabling restrictions doesn't resolve the issue, try turning off screen time entirely. Open Settings. Go to Screen Time. Scroll to the bottom. Tap Turn off screen time, enter the screen time passcode to confirm. Remove device management profiles. If the device is managed by someone else, management profiles may limit some features. Follow these steps to remove the management profile. Open Settings and select General. Tap VPN and Device Management. Choose the device management profile and tap Remove Management. Reset all settings and erase device. If none of the above methods work, you can choose to reset all device settings or even erase data to restore it to default. Open Settings and tap General. Go to Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Reset. Tap Reset all settings and enter the passcode. To erase data, you may also select Erase all content and settings.